I want to ask you something. If I asked you right now, not roughly, specifically, how much money your business is losing every single month because of gaps in your system, could you give me a number? Not probably quite a bit, an actual number in pounds. Most business owners can't, and it's not because the money isn't leaving, it is every single month. But because there's no alarm that goes off when a warm lead disappears, there's no notification when someone clicks your sales link, reads your page, and then quietly leaves. There's no report that tells you what your thank you page could have earned, but didn't. All of these losses are invisible, which makes them super easy to ignore until you see the number of the pounds that you are losing. Today, I'm going to show you how to find your number. I'm Shelley. I'm a business systems and operational strategy consultant. That means I build the bits of a business that hold everything together, the funnels, the automations, the lead pipelines, and the platforms doing all the actual work behind the scenes. I have 20 years of business experience across online and offline businesses, both service and product, which means I've seen what works across a huge range of business models, not just one type, not just one platform, and not just one way of selling. And the thing I see most consistently across all of it is that businesses are doing everything right on the surface, but losing revenue quietly underneath because the system isn't connected properly. So today, I'm going to walk you through exactly where that money goes and how to work out what is costing you specifically. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel for a new video every Monday. Let's get into it. So the first place number one, is the freebie that doesn't connect. Most businesses have a freebie of sorts. That might be a lead magnet, a free guide, a quiz, a checklist, even a 10% off offer. And most of them are attracting people who will never buy what they actually sell. Because here's the thing, a freebie has two jobs. Job one is obvious. It's to get somebody to opt in and to give you their email address. But job two is the one that most people miss. It's to create the context that makes them ready to buy what you sell next. If your freebie is about topic A and your paid offer is about topic X, you're building a list of the wrong people. They'll download the free thing, they'll enjoy it, but they'll never buy anything because the freebie was the wrong door. I know this from personal experience. At the end of 2025, I gave away a course on how to self-publish on Amazon KDP, one of my popular courses. I got loads and loads of leads, but almost none of them became buyers because the course didn't connect to anything else in my system. Most of my unsubscribes every month come from people who got that freebie. My funnel was broken, not technically, but strategically. Place number two is the welcome sequence that doesn't exist. Someone opts in, they get the freebie, and here's nothing. Even worse, they don't even get the freebie. There's no emails that introduce you properly. There's no content that builds trust. There's no gentle path towards what you sell. Just silence. And in that silence, they forget you. 3 weeks later, you email them a sales email and they think, who is this? A welcome sequence is a handful of emails sent automatically that turn that email address into a relationship. Without it, your freebie is the beginning and the end of a conversation. You got the opt-in and then you gave up all the momentum you just built. Place number three is the thank you page that says thank you and nothing else. When someone opts in for your freebie, that is the warmest moment in your entire buyer journey. They just said yes to you. Their attention is completely on you. They're more engaged right now than they'll be in 3 days when your nurture sequence is still warming them up. And yet most thank you pages still say, thanks, check your inbox. A relevant low ticket or micro offer on the thank you page converts at least 5 to 8% of your signups. Which means for every 100 people that opt in for your freebie, 5 to 8 of them would buy something right now if you ask them. That's money sitting on a page that currently you just say, thank you. It's safe to say that manners cost nothing. However, it's also safe to say that those manners are losing you money on your thank you page when you're just saying thank you. Place number four is the sales page that you're not sending anybody to. You have an offer, you mention it occasionally, but there's no system consistently pointing people in its direction. You post about it when you remember to, maybe if you want a little bit of a cash injection, but between those mentions, nothing. None, nobody is being walked towards it automatically. The difference between a business that sells consistently and one that sells in peaks and troughs has those feast and famines, the big launch month, the quiet month, the big launch month, the quiet month, is almost always this. The consistent one has a system doing the sending every week, automatically, without them having to think about it. I'm not saying don't launch. I'm also not saying don't only have a funnel that converts people automatically. Doing both is the best of both worlds, but you need to be doing both. Case number 5 is the abandoned cart that you're not catching. Do you know that 70% of people who reach a checkout page leave without completing the purchase? That's the industry average. 7 out of every 10 people who click your buy button will leave without buying. I test this constantly. Every single sales email I receive from peers, from businesses that I follow, I click the link, I go to the sales page, and I leave without buying. And then I wait. And 95% of the time, nothing. No follow up, no email. Me, the lead, I just disappear. The only businesses that consistently follow up are the big ones. River Island, ASOS. Well, they follow me up anyway. They have systems built around not letting warm leads go cold. Most small businesses have nothing. And it doesn't even need to be salesy or cringy. It doesn't have to be pushy. You can use it as a chance to open a conversation for people to ask questions. Instead of, I saw you looking, which, okay, can sound a bit stalkery, try, did you have a question about XYZ, your product? That way, it's not pushy, it's not salesy, but it gives them the chance to ask a question that they may not have emailed you to ask. And finally, place number 6, the system that isn't connected. This is the one that makes all the others worse. You might have all of these pieces, a freebie, an email list, a paid offer, maybe even a few automations. But they're a bit like Brooklyn Beckham with his parents. They're not talking to each other. And when something isn't working, you don't know where to look because you didn't build it, or you built it in the wrong order and the connections aren't there. Nothing is dramatically broken. You just can't see where it's quietly failing. And a system that you can't explain is a system that you can't fix. And a system that you can't fix is a system that leaks every single month. Now, here's the thing about all 6 of those. They're not complicated to fix. People would like you to think that they are, but they're not expensive to fix. And none of them require you to be technical or to hire someone or to spend months learning a new platform. What they require is being able to see them clearly with your actual numbers attached. And that's exactly what I'm doing in a free masterclass next Monday, the 1st of June at 7 p.m. British Standard Time. It's called Where's the Money Going? And it's 1 hour on Zoom where I'm going to go through each of those 6 mechanisms in more detail, run a live calculator with your actual lead goal and your actual offer price, and you will leave knowing exactly what each part is costing you each month. Not a rough estimate, not industry average numbers, not someone else's numbers, yours. And then I'm going to show you what fixing each one looks like. It's free and it's an hour. The link to register is in the description below, and I'd love to see you on the masterclass on the 1st. So make sure you subscribe to this channel for a new video every Monday. I'll see you next week. And if you found this useful, please share it with someone whose business you think might quietly be losing money in one of those 6 places. They might not thank you immediately, but they will thank you after the 1st of June. I'll see you there.